Hey, this is English Explained. We're digging into slang with Lowkey. So, what does it mean? It's when you keep something quiet, small, or hidden, like you don't want it to stand out. Think of it as the opposite of loud or flashy. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. She low-key loves that cheesy movie. She likes it but won't brag about it. He's low-key stressed about the exam. He's worried but hides it well. They low-key planned a surprise party. It's a secret, no big announcements. Where did it come from? It's modern slang, popping up around the 2000s. Low means quiet or soft, like low volume on your music, and key adds a cool twist, short for keyed down. It started in African American vernacular English, then spread fast on social media like Twitter and TikTok. Now it's everywhere, used for feelings, actions, or even sneaky moves. Use low-key when you want to share something without making a fuss. Perfect for subtle vibes. Got your own low-key moment? Drop it below and don't forget to like and subscribe.